Alright, I am probably standing in the most beautiful place in Pakistan right now. Pakistan? Really? That was the reaction I received when I posted my first video during the winter season. No one could believe that places like this actually exist in Pakistan. Honestly, when I visited this place during the winter season, I wasn't expecting to see this winter wonderland. But as I stand here now, surrounded by the most stunning views, I can't help but feel grateful for being able to experience the magic of this place. So yes, this amazing place is Nathia Gali, Pakistan. Previously on the Ultimate Pakistan Winter Road Trip, we explored the snowy mountain range of Galiat and Ayubia, where we were experiencing some of the most insane locations on the planet. At first, everything was normal, but then the temperature suddenly dropped to minus 18 degrees Celsius. Despite the harsh conditions, we kept driving and we had to navigate our way through the snow-covered roads carefully. We could see for the miles around, and the snow-covered landscape was simply stunning. But we knew we couldn't stay up there for long, as the blizzard was getting worse by the minute. Despite the challenges we faced on our winter road trip, it was an experience we will never forget. From a breathtaking scenery to the unexpected blizzards, it was a journey of a lifetime. Hey there fellow adventurers, welcome back to our vlog. We journeyed all the way from Islamabad to experience the enchanting winter beauty of Ayubia, and today was our second day here. As you could see, the town was blanketed in snow and we were about to embark on an unforgettable mountain hike adventure. Alright everyone, first things first, we were ready to capture the beauty of this place. The streets were covered with snow and we were headed to the snow-covered ground. Check out this stunning ground covered in snow. It was like stepping into a real-life postcard. We spent some time droning and filming, capturing the picturesque huts and homes in their winter splendor, and absolutely witnessing those breathtaking views in such a stunning place was truly a stroke of luck. The synergy between the man-made and the natural is something truly extraordinary. However, it did tug at our hearts to realize that we were among the very few tourists present in this remarkable beauty. The snow-covered landscapes and the serene ambience created a sense of solitude, reminding us of the uniqueness of the experience. And now let's elevate our experience even further. Our trusty drone is about to take off, granting us a bird's eye perspective of this breathtaking winter wonderland. Behold the magnificent wide view of Ayubia, with its snow-covered rooftops, winding roads, and the surrounding landscapes that seem to be straight out of a dream. Wow, just take a look at this view. It's as if we have stepped right into a fairy tale. The mountains and the valleys, all blanketed in pristine snow, seem to stretch out endlessly as far as the eye can perceive. This very moment makes every single step we have taken on this journey entirely worth it. आपने अगर कभी विंटर वंडरलैंड नहीं देखा तो मैं आज आपको विंटर वंडरलैंड दिखाता हूँ आफ्टर द स्नो स्टॉर्म। ये देखें अयूबिया। थोड़ा सा आगे चलते हैं एंड देखते हैं कि ऊपर का हाल वाल कैसा है। A couple of times a year, we get an incredible winter storm here. A blanket of snow completely covers the mountain, and I see this place in an entirely new light. When that happens, don't miss it and don't take it for granted. Stay with us as we capture the essence of this magical place, from the heights of the drone's lens to the depths of our winter-filled hearts. We will explore every facet of Ayubia's winter glory. Let's continue this journey of discovery and let the beauty of this landscape inspire us to embrace the magic that surrounds us. And just like that, the snowfall began to grace our surroundings. It was as though nature itself had taken up its artist brush, adding a new and exciting chapter to our adventure. The delicate snowflakes danced down from the heavens, transforming the landscape into a pristine canvas of wonder. With every step we took, we were writing our story within this magical snowfall, venturing forth into a realm that felt both familiar and completely novel. As we continued our hike, the snowflakes adorned the trees, the trails, and even our own hairs, creating a symphony of soft crunches underfoot. The world around us took on a hushed serenity, as if it was holding its breath in reverence of this extraordinary moment. So here we are, hiking through the heart of the snowfall, becoming characters in our own storybook adventure, as we left our footprints in the fresh snow and continued on our path. It was impossible not to feel connected to something greater than ourselves. Nature had opened a new page, and we were eager to read every line it had written for us in this wintry tale of discovery.
हम नहीं है शायर, बस वक्ती तौर पे वक्त के लिहाज से और मुकाम के लिहाज से पार्ट टाइम शायर. वी आर एक्चुअली पार्ट टाइम शायर ना, तो लेकिन एटलीस्ट वी आर ट्राइंग आवर बेस्ट.
सही सही कमाल. अचानक झोंका आता है और
सफ़ेद बर्फ पोश पहाड़.
As the snowfall continued, we were reminded of how incredible it was to be a part of nature's beauty, even in its most dramatic moments. As our journey through this winter wonderland continued, we found ourselves in the heart of nature's grandeur.
हाँ जी भाई साहब, अब लगी है ना सही वाली. बस टू करो, चेक करो.
The forest became my sanctuary. Each step an intentional move forward, and the camera captured my journey, a blend of vulnerability and strength. The crisp air holds a sense of stillness, allowing us to fully appreciate the vastness of the landscape before us. The snowfall around me seemed to amplify every sound, the rustle of the leaves, the distant call of the crows. The cawing of the crows became a hunting melody, as if they were guardians of the mystical realm. Running through the forest, the chase was on. Every footfall left an imprint on the untouched snow, a dance between a human and nature. We pushed boundaries, explored the unknown, and found a connection to the wild beauty around us. walking through this gentle snowfall was a sensory experience unlike any other. It was as if we were part of an ancient tale where adventurers like us had wandered through such snowy landscapes for generations.
नहीं नहीं
और क्या हो सकता है इससे आर्ट पार्ट के।
यार सीरियस मतलब आज ना मूवमेंट नहीं कर रहे, सिर्फ सांस लेने कि अभी हम जिस तरह ना अभी इमोशनल सीन आया हुआ। चलो ठा करूँगा ना, ठा ठा
वो डिग रहा भी है।
उसके बाद नॉर्मल हो गए। चलो महसूस ही नहीं हो
हाँ,
रहा,
हाँ।
सजा पाऊँ बहुत ठंडा, खबर गर्म है।
रेडी? Enemy found.
कैबिन पैंट ना उतर जाए पीछे से। वेट आनु
ओ उसको क्यों रोक दिया? सही जा रहा था पुटा सीधा।
अब लगी है ना सही वाली, बस है धूप और वो फ्रेम में पूरा।
और आगे जाओ।
फ्रेम में पूरा हूँ,
और थोड़ा सा आगे।
पूरा नहीं हूँ फ्रेम में।
टर्न अराउंड। अब कंधे पे रखो बंदूक को। 1 मिनट जूम करना आ जाए मुझे।
The winter scenes outside became our moving backdrop, each frame waving the tale of a journey that transcended boundaries and embraced the extraordinary. Our winter road trip has been an incredible adventure so far and has gifted us with unforgettable moments, each like a precious gem in a collection of memories. Remember, life is all about embracing the extraordinary moments, and that day we definitely did just that. But let me assure you, fellow adventurers, that our tale is far from reaching its final chapter. A new adventure beckons, a call from the heights. We have set our sights on the Mukshpuri peak, a place where the air is thinner and the thrill is higher than ever. With the weather's mood swings as our backdrop, we knew our day would be an unpredictable dance with the nature. But this is precisely what we live for, embracing the unexpected with open arms. The unpredictable weather and the untamed beauty of this land, they are all part of this adventure. And that wraps up today's episode of our exhilarating journey. Stay tuned for the next chapter as we venture closer to the Mukshpuri Hills, where we will ascend to its majestic heights and create memories that will forever warm our souls. Until then, remember that the best stories are yet to unfold and we can't wait to share them with you. This is Adil Shah signing off. Allah Hafiz.